Welcome back, everyone. A local Army Reserve nurse is back home with her family and friends after 5 weeks of fighting the coronavirus. Her family and friends held a celebration Tuesday night in New Albany. WTVA's Kayla Thompson joins us with more.
Oh, it is so good to be back home in the South.
Major Lisa Foley received a hero's welcome after returning from fighting on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic.
Normally, I work cardiac observation at the hospital with the cardiology group at North Mississippi Medical Center, but I'm a part of the Army Reserve Medical Support Unit in Mobile, Alabama.
Major Foley was placed on the Urban Augmentation Medical Task Force and went with the 352nd out of California.
We've been working in 7 or 8 different places in Philadelphia, so I was tasked to work at the LaCoria Center, which was an alternate care site for COVID patients.
While spending several weeks on the front lines in Philadelphia, Major Foley said she always felt supported.
You had FaceTime, you had the love of your family, you had friends, you had amazing co-workers that I worked with, doctors, nurses, behavioral health folks, other nurse practitioners and physician's assistants, all kinds of folks that I worked with that were very professional and very upbeat, and we were there for a reason. And that was to finish the task that we were there for.
Her family and friends held a social distancing parade in New Albany to show their appreciation.
She is an incredibly patriotic lady, and she wanted to serve her country. We've loved her and missed her and proud of her and glad she's home.
Some even traveled hours to welcome her home. Major Foley said this surprise parade and the love shown while she was away will never be forgotten.
This group of people here, they are fabulous with showing God's love. And that's what I tried to do in Philadelphia. And this group at this church and my daughter's church, they actually adopted all the soldiers that were in my unit. So they got care packages. And so even from the South, they touched everybody from all across the United States.
Major Foley says she's happy to be home, but she'll be ready to serve whenever she is called. In New Albany, Kayla Thompson, WTVA 9 News.